In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the citation generator that the library at Bridgewater recommends and links from their page. So to find that citation generator, go to bridge.w.edu/library. Click on Citation Style Guides. And then we're going to be using the MLA citation here in this class, and I'm just going to point out to you that there are a couple of useful documents right here that you might want to take a look at. But right here at the bottom is Night Cite. So if we click on that, it takes us to the site. Now the first thing you have to choose is what type of citation style. Again, we're using MLA, so make sure that that's active. And then you need to choose what type of resource it is that you're trying to cite. So I'm going to start with basic book. Now you notice it comes up compiled by author. Author is the person who writes. An editor is the person who oversees the writing of others. So I'm going to pretend that this is a book, or not pretend. I'm going to say that it is a book by one author. And so here I can put the author's name in. His first name is Peter, last name is Manuel, and the title of the book is Caribbean Currents. And the subtitle is Caribbean Music from Rumba to Reggae. It's published by, and I hope you know that you can find the publisher on the title page of the book. So this one is Temple University Press. Publishing city is Philadelphia. And on the flip side of the title page will be the copyright year, or the year published, and in this case it's 2006. I'm referencing the whole book, and I'm going to say that this was a book, a physical book, so a print book. So leave this checked off. So if I do submit, right here, it creates the citation for me. So to put that in my document, I need to highlight it, copy it, then I'm going to switch over to Word, and I'm going to paste the citation. Now, it's not the right font for me, but I'm going to leave that alone for right now and fix all that at the end. So let's say that I also have a journal article. Journal. It's just a normal article in this journal, and it has one author. The author's first name is Anne, last name is Axtman. The title is Performative Power in Native America, Powwow Dancing. The title of the journal is Dance Research Journal, Volume 33, Issue Number 1, published in the summer, which they may not have, so they don't. So we'll skip the that part, the month and day part, and just put 2001. So in journal articles, they are not the entire journal, they're usually just a section. So we put the pages that include the entire article. And let's say we found this one online, just so we can see something different. It was found using a database, and in my case this database was JSTOR. We'll include this information, but I'm not going to include the URL because that's the default here, but that's also the standard right now in MLA, is to leave the URL out. Hit submit, and there it is. So I highlight it, copy it, paste it into my document. So that's a book and a journal. And as you can see, there are other types that you could use. You can also add additional authors if you need to. So let's go to a database that will generate the citations for us. So I'm going to go back to the main library site and click on, I'm actually going to click on Max Guides so I can get to this faster. Go to Music, International Index to Music Periodicals Full Text. I am going to look up Portuguese I think Festa. Actually, let's make that an advanced search because I want to add Massachusetts. Search. I want to limit this to scholarly journals, so I'll click on that on the side here. And I'm going to look at this multimedia review of a DVD called Festa. And I want the citation for this article. So I come here to the top, click on Cite. Up it comes. So again, I highlight it, I copy it, switch over to my document. So this one's even in the wrong font, but we'll fix that in a moment. And I'm done. So that's using any database that's connected to ProQuest. So let's go back to Academic Search Premier. This time I'm going to search for Native American flute. And I'm going to use this one, this journal article, because again, I'm only interested in academic journals. Native American flute, a possibility for your classroom. So with this database, with the EBSCO host databases, the citation link is on the right-hand side. So click Cite. Then you have to scroll down and find MLA. Again, I'm going to highlight it, copy it, and paste it. So of course, puts that green background. I'm just going to clear out that formatting. So that shows you I've gotten 4 different examples from 3 different places. 1 citation generator where you have to fill in the information, and 2 different databases where it will format it for you. Doesn't always mean that it's right, but it's close. Once you have all these in Word, to put them into the format that we want for our papers, highlight everything, change the font to Times New Roman, 12 point, double space. And here's another little thing that has to happen. They should have a hanging indent. So if you hover on the toolbar here until hanging indent pops up, pick it up, drag it over, then all second lines will be indented, which is what a hanging indent is. I need to take out these extras. I also need to fix this last one because I had to clear the formatting. We know that journal titles should be italicized. And there we go. Of course, this needs to be in alphabetical order as well. And there is a works cited page.